Stop overwatering and starving your herbs. Change the pot bottom. Most pots dry from the top down, leaving roots scrambling for water. The fix is simple. Add a thin moisture-holding layer. Place it at the bottom of containers with drainage holes. Use crushed charcoal for moisture retention at the pot bottom. Mix coarse sand with compost for drainage and retention. Use a thin layer of coconut coir. Only a couple inches deep is enough. Plant your herb on top of the layer. Water deeply until it drains, then let the soil settle. That bottom layer holds extra water and slowly releases it. Back to the roots, keeping moisture even and consistent. In a few weeks, you'll notice thicker, sturdier stems. Your herbs will produce bigger, lusher, greener leaves. And overall, you'll have fuller, denser pots within weeks, all without chemicals or fancy soil required. Great for basil. Great for mint. Great for parsley. Great for rosemary. Also works for most other kitchen herbs. Try it in one pot first as a test. Follow for more simple garden hacks and tips. Now go grow something delicious at home.